Hello, girls. Hello to the girls. Who's there? There's Trisha. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Wow. You don't look too bad, do you? After all that rain yesterday. You've dried out better than the garden has, girls, anyway. Tell you. At least you're drinking from the watering holder this time. Oh, a tissue. A tissue. Oh. Oh, I'll send this video off to the vet. I was about to say, at least you're drinking from the water holder rather than the puddle. Oh dear, I'll send this to someone I know. Alright then. Oh, you're going to do some more for us?